It sat untouched for 15 years. No oil changes, no fuel, no mercy from time. Today, we're going to try the impossible. This car was parked here 15 years ago and never moved again. The owner walked away. Nature didn't. Every surface tells a story. Rust across the frame, dry rotted hoses, seized components. This isn't just old, it's neglected. Before we try anything, we check the essentials: oil, fuel, compression, battery. If we rush this, we destroy it. So here's the plan. Drain old fuel, replace battery, prime system, fresh fuel, new battery, spark plugs checked. Now, the moment we've been building toward. 15 years, one turn. Come on. After 15 years of silence, it lives.